Welcome to Redlist Basic Training. I'm Nate, and today we're going to create preventative maintenance templates and assign them to work order templates. Let's log into the Redlist computer web app. Once logged into Redlist, navigate to Reliability, then PM Manager. Select Generate Template, name it, and optionally utilize an asset to generate it. Select the checkbox if you wish to associate this asset along with this new program. From this view, we notice that we can associate assets, create work order templates, and view the details of the PM program. Keep in mind that the ellipses allows you to copy, edit, and delete the items that they are attached to. Let's associate an asset. From this view, we can now add assets that have already been added by your admin. Review and add details. Details include sections, which are groups of components, and tasks. Tasks may be assigned to work order templates by selecting the Edit option. Doing so will generate work orders in the Workboards tool. We have now created PM templates and assigned them to work orders. Redlist.